Good morning, student. Today's topic is changes in neighborhood and school. So, what is the meaning of change? Before going to start this chapter, we have to know um, the what is change. So, change means to replace one thing for another or to become different. Yes, how you can become different? You can start. You can see yourself that first when you came to school, that time you were very afraid. You do not want to come to school, but now it is very easy for you. You love your studies. You come to school daily. So this is the change. So here we have to discuss the changes in neighborhood. So you know what is neighborhood? Yeah, you are living with your family, and in your house there are so many, near to your house there are so many houses, and all of people are living in that. So that is called neighborhood. So neighborhood refers the lifestyle, food, work, clothes, houses, tradition of the people. So in the neighborhood people are living, and we will discuss about the lifestyle of their food, their style of work, their sense of dressing, their housing means how they are living in the house, their tradition. So now here we start changes in the lifestyle of the people. So you can see easily the lifestyle of the past. When you will compare the lifestyle of the past and in the present day, that is quite very different. In the past time, they don't have mobile phones, they don't have fridge for the cold water, to drink cold water, they don't have TV for the entertainment, they don't have the AC. But now everyone, almost the houses have AC, fridge, TV, mobile phones, computers, everything, sound system for the entertainment. But the past time, the people, they don't have. So how they have, because people of this time, they work hard, they want to earn more money for their to live this lifestyle, and they spend more and save less. So the lifestyle of the past is quietly different to the present time. So there are so many changes, that is called change in the lifestyle of the people. So changes in the food habit of the people, yes, it is also different, it is also changed, because especially the people, children, you don't want to eat the balanced diet. You are very fond of to eat junk food like burger, pizza, and the Maggie and pasta. But you should not eat this all junk food, because it is not good for you people. You are growing student children, and you have to eat the balanced diet. But not only you children, but most of the people, they also want to eat junk food. Women, they do not want to cook food, because they want to eat junk food because it is very easy, and it's easily cooked and quickly. So they love to eat junk food. And they also want to go to the restaurant, because they want to enjoy rather than to eat homemade food. So you can easily understood the changes in the lifestyle of the people and the changes in the food habit of the people. So now we will discuss about the changes in the work pattern of the people. Yes, to afford the lifestyle of the present time, they have to work hard. If they will not work hard, they don't have the easy fridge and the music system and the television. So to live a good lifestyle, the people work very hard, and so that their work pattern is also changed. They in the past time, only the adult of the family member, men only, when they were going out for the job. But now in these days, both the father and mother, both they are going out for the money. So they work hard to live a good lifestyle. So they early in the morning they are going, and they continuously work till late night. So the work pattern of the people is also changed. Now change in the clothes of the people. Yes, we will discuss the change in the clothes of the people. So you know that clothes of the, how that is the fashion, that everyone have mobile phones, and you can see there are so many online shopping app in your phone. You can easily, so these all are the reason for the the changes in the clothes of the people, online shopping, new fashion trend, because we easily get the new fashion trend on the online shopping. Malls in the cities, there are so many malls, so this all become the reason for this clothing change in the clothes of the people. The electronic media, the online shopping trends, and the malls, they all expose global dressing style. So now people are very fond of to get the new fashion trend. So they easily this by the app, by the malls, they can easily get the their new trends and they adopt that. So this is the reason in the clothes of the people, the change in the clothes of the people. So in this next video we will discuss the change in the house of the people, changes in the tradition of the people, and changes in the school and classroom. So we will continue, we will finish this chapter in the second video. Okay, till revise it, and I will give some homework, some question to you in the next video.